Alright, we're probably missing a few things as my batteries died on here, but we're getting the oil pan put on.
Got the crank seals in.
Crank seals are put in. We made sure they had a little bit of lube so we didn't rip them on the way in. And for all you people that need to know, let's see here. I got what happened? I just thought I had that dang deal. There we go. Here are all your torque values for this particular project. I'll run through it. Cylinder head bolt, cold 6873, hot 7883. Camshaft bearing 24.5 to 29. Camshaft sprocket 58 to 78. Main bearing 58 to 68. Timing chain cover 14 to 19. Sprocket tensioner 49 to 58. Crankshaft pulley 49 to 58. Flywheel 40 to 45, counterweight 24.5 to 29, balancing shaft 18 to 21, connection rod cover 34.3 to 39, oil pan plug 34 to 44, oil filter 20 to 25, spark plug 10 to 12, transmission assembly millimeter 12 bolts are 26 to 39. Transmission level plug 39 to 49. Transmission plug 39 to 49. Cooling fan 49 or 4 to 7. Spark plug 19 to 29. And your other bolts, 5 millimeter is 4 pounds to 6. 6 millimeter is 9.8 to 7.8. That's a little strange, backwards. 8 is 14 to 21. Alright, that's it. GoPro, stop recording.